lovelies. And don't you forget to tune in next week to the show, because if you don't, I'm going to come round to your house and I'm going to rip your bloody arms off. I will too. Don't forget it.
She rides a black bike
I do.
and drives through the night. She's big, round and fat, but don't dare tell her that.
I bloody well aren't.
Else she'll turn so mean. Her glove starts to gleam. There's a scream as she vomits away.
Do you want a good smack in the mouth?
Oh, farewell, Auntie Jack. Don't you know you'll be back? Though you're 10 feet tall, you don't scare us at all. You're big, bold and tough, but you're not so rough. There's a scream as you plummet away.
And I'll rip your bloody arms off.